foundation slime.
Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be playing with slime. So I do know that my other channel is basically just Roblox. I don't know, have a look. But we're just going to be playing with slimes in this video. I'm switching, so come here. No, just no. Half of these slimes will be melted, so we might get covered in slime.
Sunset slime.
That might be okay. This is just a basic galaxy slime. Basically, I just put any spare slime in it. That's Darcy slime. So,
Do you think that looks good?
later on in the video, another person will sit here next to me in the invisible when she's found a slime that she wants to play with, which might take a long time.
Not sure. Very sticky.
I mean, it doesn't stick to me. I mean, we might end up having 3 people on this video.
Maybe.
Maybe. If the other person wants to come on. Okay, so she's still trying to find a slime. Well, I'm showing you my slime. Don't even ask. Okay, so this is kind of like a jiggly slime. Like, if you watch. Jiggle. So, can you shut up? So,
I found these.
okay, I don't know if they'll be good. Please put the lids on slimes, don't you think? So, I have an insane amounts of love for slime.
Can you make a challenge?
As I do forever. In my life.
No.
Why did you touch that? You could see it was melted.
Sorry.
Jesus, woman. I don't know some people. It looks like pale. Okay, so I'm just collecting the spare slime on this table. Luckily for me, my slime's black. So if there's any spare slime on the table, not being racist, but if there isn't any spare slime on the table, I can put it into this.
Jeez. Yeah, I think that one's done with.
Okay, so she smacked it.
Lemon or is the cake?
Drizzle cake. Okay, no. Oh, shit, stop! Scheiße.
That looks like honey.
Okay, so tomorrow,
That looks
I'm going to take you guys into a shop, if I can. And we're going to go and buy some activator.
That's not.
I needed this to be really stretchy. My mate wants to jiggle it again.
I cannot put the lid on this.
Jiggle it. I'm going to make it into a butt and then you can jiggle it.
That's good.
This is. Do you want to split this in half? Jiggle the butt.
Come on. This one's.
Wait, I'm just going to move the camera above it. Okay, jiggle. Okay, I don't know if I got that on view. Dude! But this is the slime. Really? You had to take that off the shop? This is the slime. This is a woman. Jesus! She just like killed me. No. Wait, I want to see if I can make a bubble. Now I've got enough of other slimes that she just like jiggled it. You know what you need? One of them fake butts.
Right. I found
Slap
Ocean Breeze.
it.
I found Ocean Breeze.
Okay, that might be good. Or it might be rock solid. Because I'm just cleaning up containers. No. I think that's got wax in it. Okay, so half of these slime I made when I was like 4. So that's probably why you will see some really mysterious slimes on this video.
Feel the bottom of that. No, seriously, feel it. It feels like sand.
Because it's got kinetic sand in it.
Oh.
Okay, you putting it in the shop, bruh.
There you go. Feel it.
Oh, you want, bro?
She want the table.
It's on record. Nice shot.
You taking that bet, bro?
Okay, so we might end up playing with the same slime. Oh, that is weird.
I know.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm not playing with that. That's very Sunday. Yeah. That one's very nice, but it's not that.
Here then. Wait, put your hand in it. She will be our demonstrator. Okay. You don't have slime hands.
That's what.
Yeah, I use that to clean slime. Or to melt slime if it's rock solid. Or to get bits out of it that don't want to be in it. It did. No, you don't touch that. That's melted.
I'm so touched.
Yeah! I'm making a freaking swirl. You got a problem with that, bro? You got a problem with my poop?
Oh,
It's gonna be poo!
it's stringy poo poo.
Okay, so these two people, this woman over here, which is the demonstrator, is my friend. And this guy over here is my friend. She is. She dare be in the camera. This woman's camera shy. But let alone, she dare smack a butt.
Golden nugget slime.
It's literally, she made
Bottoms that are very bad.
Okay, why is it black?
Good.
So what?
You said that to a black man. Why is it black? Yeah, this is a defo now.
That's
Yes,
a defo. You freaking.
It's going everywhere.
Can I tell you why?
It's a duck with a big fat
Get on right now. You piece of shit.
I'm not a piece of shit.
No, Gia. Poppy's getting it on. It's not my fault.
There.
She put it in this. This is like the tidy up slime. Okay, we need to be careful though, because if you put too much in, it's gonna ruin it. Can you just?
Can I just walk?
Tomorrow we're gonna film a video of fixing all the slime,
Yeah.
and today we might do last
like
to sleep video
It looks like
with a part 2.
looks like
So we would recording.
Plop goes the poop.
We might be recording. You guys in for it? Are you guys in for it?
I'm in for smacking the slime.
No. Are you in?
For last
I'm
to
in the
sleep.
house.
Oh yeah, I was born with it. Last night I went to bed at 2.
Yeah. I've been to bed at 3. That's like the latest I've been to bed.
The latest I went to bed.
Oh wait, no, the latest I was in bed was 4.
Yeah, the latest I went to bed.
But that was
4.
only when people slept over.
Yeah, the latest.
So tomorrow,
My auntie was
I'm
drunk.
probably whoever's the first.
My auntie was drunk. And
What
she
time
went to
do you
bed
wake
at 4.
up?
Like if it's late, if it's a weekend, I go to the same time.
Yeah.
Without weekend.
No, don't. No, stop. Please.
What voice is
I
that?
hate these
Yeah, do you think that's good or bad?
Okay, why'd you have to put that over the table?
You look like
Yeah,
you got
I'm
poo all over your hands.
Just wash your hands, bro.
It's
Okay, while she's doing
cleaning
that,
the toilet and you got purple poo all over your hands.
me and Poppy are gonna clean the table.
I haven't done anything. Except
What,
for
you
using the
Smack the
slime. Yeah, but I haven't done anything with
You
that.
hurt the slime's feelings.
Okay, so you can tell she's the insane one. But she's okay. Just the other woman's crazy.
What?
I said you're okay. That's crazy. Okay, now. Okay, what? I'm gonna do something, bro.
I'm sorry.
Get off.
Daddy,
Okay, so in another video we might end up going outside. We don't know that woman. Get behind the slime. Quick, get behind the slime. They can't see. No, your face.
Dad, I'm not showing them my face. It's like a mystery.
Who is the person behind the camera? Will you ever know? No. Will you ever guess? Probably. I doubt you will, to be honest. It's a girl, but she looks nothing like a girl. I mean, she looks like a girl, but she don't act like a girl. I don't know what I mean half the day. What the frick is up with this slime? You know, that's actually okay. Okay, I'm
I know
gonna...
she just made it look like it's not okay at all.
Yeah.
I like the galaxy one better.
Move out the way. Who is this person? Move out the way, boy.
What if we try it?
That is so stretchy. It looks like pedal. It still didn't come off.
Elvis, deal with it.
No, he's not anyone. He's a loner.
Finally.
Finally.
Right, can you
Okay.
give me out a decent slime?
Not really. Unless you're half this woman. Okay, I'm gonna keep this upside down. There we go. I got enough blackout. Not being racist.
You're being racist.
Okay, what the hell is that?
It's pretty
Wait,
obvious
this is
that you're
pitch-
racist.
Something. Okay, that's nice slime. It is cold. Okay, I'm in love with this slime. Like, it is a bit
You already
sticky.
have a boyfriend. Deal with it.
Done. Found some.
Careful, it's got
Finally.
It's got puppy bait in it!
No, I feel black.
Stop being racist.
Do you want to put black in here?
No, don't.
No.
I'm
Now
using
you're-
this.
She's being racist now.
Wait,
Okay, did you really have to...
Dangle.
wait, are you using that black?
Yeah, I'm using that. I'm just mixing it. You can use
This
this.
one hasn't got puppy.
No, I'm using that.
No, I'm using
It's the
that.
only decent slime.
That is the only decent slime. This is really stick. Look.
That's not sticky.
Yeah, it is.
Not that sticky to be honest.
Just use that one.
Can you?
It's stuck all over her.
Extremely hard.
No, that's the purple one. You stayed my arm.
This one kind of looks like it's bad.
There's no difference to it, so if it's all bad, then you throw it away.
Stinks in nail polish. This is okay.
This one's okay.
That galaxy slime is the best one. But this one's quite nice.
Is it okay?
I need to call this black venom slime.
Being racist.
I'm not. It's literally a person.
That's not bad, that one, is it? That's like your hands like the other one.
I mean, it is.
No, but not as bad.
Use this galaxy one if you want.
Can you?
Yeah.
Can I add paint in the black one a bit? Just a bit.
We need to sort these
Once
slimes
I mix
out. What you
this in.
can't rectify with you, you need to throw away. These all.
No, because we're going to get activated tomorrow and I'm still recording.
Oh, sorry.
Back up. No. She has.
Yeah, I'm definitely not touching
Pop.
that.
So,
My name.
because I can. Here then.
Pops. Cocoa Pops.
She called Cocoa Pops.
Suck Cocoa Pops. Is
Okay,
this
I need
one,
more.
is it decent? Then I'm using that black.
No, I'm using this. You can have that.
But why can't I have it?
Because I'm using this. Plus it's got puff paint in it, which takes 24 hours to dry. What the hell?
That's not decent.
Also, I might film another video outside playing football.
Yay!
Since I know she
now.
like
Video.
after we finish doing this.
I don't.
So I think I'm just
What
gonna
about
mix
if
this
we
in
had
for you
white
guys.
paint in it?
Right, if this one's
And
not
then
decent, then I'm using the
If
Galaxy.
she doesn't wanna, if Anne, doesn't wanna go outside, me and Poppy might just film a video outside playing football.
You can't show my face like that.
I
I'm
want-
technically a mystery person.
Yeah, she's a mystery person too. Okay, that's not
I
decent.
said them, not you.
Oh, that's what I said.
Yeah,
You
this
said
is
me.
not produced.
You're a mystery
Like
person to
you.
me as well.
Can I add white painting?
No, to make it great. Fine.
Yeah.
Good stuff. I don't want a lot.
Yeah, me neither.
Literally.
Okay, so I'm just gonna mix this white painting and then
That's the mystery person.
the mystery person. Okay, I'm not gonna show you. Is next to me. Wait, put your hands over your face. No, both your hands.
Because I've got paint all over it.
You put your
I'm like
hands in your
supposed to
fleece
colour
then. No,
it. Can't show me.
the mystery person is here. They can't see.
Just cover the camera.
No, I like covering the camera, covering your face. You probably did see that because of this woman.
You just showed it half of it.
I did do half.
Half?
She showed all of her face. She did. She knocked my hand.
See your camera shy now.
I can just cut out that bit.
I usually put a hand on it.
You know what?
Okay.
I can actually do. I can put this all in your hand and you have to shave your hair bald.
Oh yeah, you would. No, you won't. You just
that
get
to
shampoo
Gage. He
remover.
used to be bald.
Yeah. Ooh, baldy. Baldy basics.
So this is my slime.
No,
Bald is
that's my
twerkets.
slime.
No.
That's
Now
my
we're going
slime.
outside and filming a YouTube video on
Bald is
football.
twerkets. Bald is
So this is her slime.
Bald is
One-
twerkets.
That's my slime.
No, this is my slime right here. This is her slime.
No, you were playing that first while I was trying to find a decent slime.
No. That's what it came in. There's a bunch in the container. Put that away.
Cheap slime.
So this is my slime.
No, it's not your slime.
My slime.
Technically all my
this.
slime.
That's
Shut up.
my slime.
Annoying YouTube woman that I definitely don't know.
You're
She's
a
definitely not my
daughter.
mom. Definitely don't know. Okay. Peace out.